If you think black is the only color that exudes sophistication, think again. Watch on to find out 5 gorgeous colors that can replace black and keep you looking fabulous. There's one color in this list that every fashion icon swears by. Curious which one? Keep watching to find out. Hello, fabulous fashionistas. Today, we are diving into a fun and colorful topic. 5 amazing colors that can replace black in your wardrobe. Because let's be honest, as much as we love black, sometimes we just need a little variety. Ready to upgrade your wardrobe? Starting off our list at number 5 is burgundy. This color is praised for its ability to add depth and richness to your wardrobe. It's perfect for those days when you want to make a bold yet classy statement. Imagine a stunning burgundy dress at a cocktail party. Absolutely show-stopping. Burgundy is like a fine wine. Rich, sophisticated, and a little bit bold. Just like a great glass of wine, burgundy gets better with age. Celebrities like Nicole Kidman, Sophia Bush, Oprah Winfrey, Halle Berry, and Malin Ackerman have rocked burgundy on the red carpet, proving that this color is a winner. You can incorporate burgundy into your daily wardrobe with a cozy burgundy sweater or a chic pair of burgundy heels. The options are endless, and the result is always fabulous. Next up at number 4 is camel. Camel is the epitome of classic elegance. It's a warm, neutral color that adds a touch of luxury to any outfit. It's especially favored in outerwear and accessories. Camel is like a luxurious cashmere scarf we all love. Warm, cozy, and always a good idea. We've seen style icons like Meghan Markle, Kate Middleton, and Angelina Jolie rocking camel coats and looking absolutely chic. Remember Meghan's chic camel coat during her first Christmas with the royal family? So elegant. Camel is a versatile color that can be paired with almost anything. So next time you're reaching for your black coat, consider a chic camel one instead. You can also incorporate camel into your accessories. Think camel handbags, belts, or even shoes. It's a versatile color that brings a touch of luxury to any outfit. Coming in at number 3 is white. White is the epitome of purity and elegance. It's incredibly elegant and sophisticated. It also offers a clean and fresh look that works well in various styles and seasons. Whether it's a basic white shirt or a flowing white dress, you can't go wrong with white. Celebrities like Meryl Streep, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Queen Letizia of Spain have been spotted in stunning white outfits that scream sophistication. It's the perfect color for a polished and elegant look. Gwyneth's iconic white Tom Ford gown at the Oscars is still talked about today. Wearing white is like stepping into a bright, fresh day. It's refreshing and timeless. Imagine yourself in a white linen dress on a sunny day or a chic white blazer for a formal event. It's simply stunning. And don't worry about it being too stark. You can always accessorize with bold jewelry or a colorful scarf to add some flair. Plus, white goes with everything, making it an easy and sophisticated choice for any occasion. So, if you want to look effortlessly chic, white is the way to go. You can easily incorporate white into your wardrobe with staple pieces like white jeans, blouses, or even accessories like a white handbag or shoes. White adds a touch of freshness and sophistication to any look. Now, let's add a pop of color with emerald green. This color is rich, luxurious, and totally timeless. Wearing emerald green is like draping yourself in a lush green forest. Fresh, vibrant, and utterly captivating. Not to mention that green is known to be a calming color. So you'll not only look great, but feel great too. And who would be better to showcase emerald green than the ever-stylish Kate Middleton? She's often seen in emerald green dresses that highlight her elegance and grace. Truly a royal color. And we can never forget Lupita's emerald green gown at the BAFTAs. Definitely a showstopper. Emerald green is also fantastic for accessories. Think emerald green scarves, handbags, or even shoes to add a vibrant touch to your outfit. It's a great way to incorporate color without going overboard. And if you have green eyes, this color will make them pop even more. Now, the number one color that every fashion icon swears by: navy blue. Navy blue is like black's cooler, more relaxed cousin. It's just as versatile and sophisticated, but with a touch of softness. It's the go-to color for so many style icons. We're talking about Victoria Beckham, Kate Blanchett, Michelle Obama, Jennifer Lopez, Sarah Jessica Parker, Jennifer Aniston, and Helen Mirren. All have been seen rocking navy blue and looking absolutely fabulous and elegant. And here's a fun fact. Navy was actually named after the dark blue uniforms worn by officers in the British Royal Navy. So, if you want to channel a bit of that regal elegance, navy blue is your go-to. You can wear navy blue to any event, whether it's a casual brunch or a formal evening out, and still look absolutely stunning. And ladies, you'll still look stunningly slim in it, just like you do in black. Another great thing about navy is how well it pairs with other colors. For instance, a navy blue button-up with white trousers looks fresh and nautical, perfect for a summer outing. Or pair it with statement accessories for a more glamorous look. The possibilities are endless. These fabulous colors can replace black and keep you looking stylish and sophisticated. Whether you're drawn to the richness of burgundy, the warmth of camel, the fresh elegance of white, the regal allure of emerald green, or the classic sophistication of navy blue, there's a color here for everyone. Each of these colors brings something unique to the table, offering you endless possibilities to look stylish and sophisticated. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these colors is your favorite? Do you have any other color suggestions that can replace black? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one.